Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm doing great. Right? I'm here today in front of you to discuss a beautiful concept. And in our day to day life, every day we are experiencing, we are observing many things, we are visualizing so many beautiful experiences. And all these things we try to understand and we want to know the secret behind them. All these secrets are having the answers and that one and only subject which give you the detailed information, that is physics. Great philosophers Copernicus, Galileo Galilei, Aristotle, these people explained many things to the people and they want to give the exact truth behind many concepts. Galileo Galilei explained about laws of simple pendulum. In this, he has given about time. People don't have any idea about time. People used to see sun rising in the morning and sunset. With that, people were ending the day. But now each and every second is count, each and every hour is count. So we are knowing exact time in the afternoon or in the morning or in the night. Oh, this is only because the efforts behind it was the great scientist, that is Galileo Galilei. Not only him, but also Ptolemy, Copernicus, and all these people were great philosophers and they started to explain about many concepts. Now we are calling them as great scientists. Here, science is the subject which has taken from philosophy. Many subjects has generated from philosophy and it has been divided as the subjects and the content increases. We divided them and now we are studying them separately, subject wise. So today I am going to explain you about physical science, especially a part as physics. Physics is the branch of science which deals about matter and energy. Many of us used to study physics as a separate subject and many times we question what is physics. They try to answer, but the exact answer for physics is it is the study of matter and energy. Physics is going to give us answers for many questions which we observe in our surroundings. We see thunderbolts when it is raining. We see fire. With that, we we use fire and we boil our food. We cook our food and how and we check a fever in our body by using thermometer. And all these things give us many information. In finding all these information, there is only one thing behind it, that is physics. Let us all learn physics and don't panic. When we take physics as a separate subject, sometimes it is questions to us. It creates many questions in our mind, but never panic. Try to find the solution and always physics will give you the correct information and measured information, and it is always give you the truth. Science is truth, truth is science. Physics is one of the part of science which deals about matter and energy. Signing off, Yogesh. Thank you.